read my mind, love.
I tell you, the real winner here today is the country of Croatia. Every time I come here, it gets hard to leave. I guess these guys must put something in the water. Just gonna do a little sailing.
In a castle dark or a fortress strong, the chains upon my feet, you know that ghost is me. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone and I just can't get it back. If you could read my mind, yeah. If you could read my mind, love, what a tale my thoughts would tell. Just like a paperback novel, the kind the drugstore sell. When you reach the part where the heartache comes, the hero would be you. Heroes often fail. Never thought I'd feel this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone and I just can't get it back. If you could read my mind, if you could, oh yeah, if you could read my mind, if you could read, if you could my mind, if you could, yeah, if you could read my mind, if you could read my mind, love, what a tale my thoughts would tell. Just like an old-time movie, got a ghost from a wishing well.